Larry. How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
Very good. All right, so explain to me a little bit, what is your role at AGT?
So I'm the lead of the customer success department. So the goal of the department is to provide support and services to all our customers.
And how's it been going so far?
It's going well. I think that at AGT we are able to redefine what is support and services. Because if you look at the market, you hear support services, the first thing that you will have in your mind is, oh, they are providing a call center.
Right.
Support and services for us is more than that. It's partnership that we have with our customer. We want to be part of our success. We want to make sure that they see the value out of the machine that they are buying, and that we can help them reach the next level.
And how do we do that?
We need to understand the customer reality, because each customer is different. So we need to make sure that we understand what kind of part they are producing, what are the business that they are working with, and what they need to provide. So we need to adjust to their own reality.
And what are the tools that are available for our customers to reach out when they have questions or problems?
We have the help desk center that's helped to, I will say, start the communication with us. So everything that is on the ticket is easier for us to track. But also, most of the customers already have my phone number. So if they want to reach me, they know where to find me.
So it's a customer service Larry.com.
Exactly, that's it.
What feedback are you getting from the customers in regards to the machines?
I will say that, they bought, I think, the most incredible machine on the market. So I think that everybody agreed that the Beemaster and the Block are two incredible products. They are not toaster, it's still robotic, it's still technology. So the first thing that we hear from the customer is, thank you for being there for us.
Yes.
Thank you for helping us taking care of the machine and start to use the machine. So I think that, like I said, I use partnership when we started the interview. I think this is what we hear the most.